Alright, so this is a video, it's a little different than the usual. Just a few quick disclaimers. We're going to be using a chainsaw today. I had some trees taken down recently and I had this cherry log left for me. Now my chainsaw skills here are not very great. I don't have a full face shield, I don't have chainsaw chaps, so your safety is your own thing. Just make sure that no matter what you're doing it as safely as you can. And that I am not necessarily an example of what to do correctly here. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to need to stand this up on end. And we're going to try and use some scrap lumber here as a guide with a small chainsaw to maybe get a couple slabs out of this. A lot of you are probably laughing right now, and it's becoming pretty clear that this little guy is really not meant for this kind of duty. What I think I'm going to go for then is try and get some just round cuts out of this, and maybe some smaller stuff. Maybe we could have a little wood here to have some fun with, but I don't think I'm going to be cutting any slabs with this guy. Well, it wouldn't be real life if I only showed you the stuff that went right. Take it from me that trying to mill logs with a tiny electric chainsaw just doesn't work.